This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Linda Santa. This home is being sold as is for the seller convenience. It has been professionally prepared for renovation after sustaining water damage from the recent storm. All drywall up to 6 feet, flooring, baseboards, kitchen cabinetry, countertops, and appliances have been removed, allowing you to reimagine this exceptional property from the ground up. Welcome to this remarkable 5-bedroom, 4.5 bathroom residence in sought-after North Redington Beach. Upon arrival, a stately circular driveway with pavers guides you to the main entrance, setting the stage for this grand home. Inside, the main level features a private guest suite, 3 additional bedrooms with a shared bath, and a spacious living room and formal dining room area. This home offers an expansive layout with the kitchen and family room making it ideal for both intimate gatherings and grand entertaining. The family room is a true showstopper, boasting soaring 25-foot ceilings, plantation shutters, and a cozy wood-burning fireplace, adding abundant natural light and creating a warm and inviting space. The entire second floor is reserved for the master suite, a private sanctuary with dual custom walk-in closets and an ensuite bath. Step onto your private balcony for uninterrupted views of the waterfront, offering a serene retreat at any time of day. This residence comes with a heated in-ground pool with travertine flooring, a 2-car garage, and significant recent, within the last 3 years, upgrades, including a new seawall, metal roof, boat lift up to 7,000 pounds, outdoor kitchen, and a screened lanai. Exterior enhancements like fresh paint and new siding ensure curb appeal and longevity. Dual air conditioner units, a water heater, and a water softener add to the convenience, though some systems conditions may require further inspection, as the condition is unknown. Ideally situated on the intracoastal, with its private dock, this home offers seamless access to pristine beaches, fine dining, and vibrant coastal amenities, blending privacy with the best of Florida living. For more information, review the details below or contact Linda Santa at 856-220-3217.